Hey guys! Today we will be making a simple glider. This is the simplest way to fly on a new account. Let's get started. Make a long strip of the ice blocks you got from the Thin Ice Quest. Dimensions just have to be even in length and width. Next you have to delete the two middle blocks, or four if you have an odd length. After that, add a boat motor in the gap and place blocks around it to make it tight. Make sure to leave a gap and place a block of ice above it. Then place a driver's seat on top of the ice. Now you will place the balloons you got from the Clouds Quest. Make sure to put the equal amount of balloons on the back and front. Now, add blocks to the side for stability. Now you can add other elements for decoration and aesthetics. And your glider is ready. As you can see, my glider is not very stable. You can change the position of the side balloons for better stability. The best part is that the fuel won't run out. However, there is one downside. There is no real way to bring the plane lower other than just switching off the balloons. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.